1, 2, 3. Ready? Exercise number 71. Our records show that you have not purchased anything in this store for some time. Full stop. We regard this as most unfortunate, for we value your patronage highly. Full stop. We hope that it is not due to some unsatisfactory purchase or to some lack of the proper service. Full stop. We wish to give you service strictly in accordance with your desires. Full stop. Several members of the college faculty expressed the belief that it was absolutely necessary to include an extra chorus in this subject. Full stop. And our industry, the prospers because of the direct methods we employ with our customers. Full stop. We tell them only the truth when we describe our products. Full stop. I think that we should take the proper steps to bring about the passage of these bills relating to labor problems. And I believe that care should be exercised by all not to obstruct this. Full stop. It is equally true that the recent decreases in the prices of cheaper fabrics are expected to result in increased sales. Full stop.